On today's video, I'm showing you guys a brand new evakool 80 litre dual zone plus fridge freezer on the evakool slide. So without further ado, let's get into it.
Going from the old N70 to the new N80, both vehicles have their pros and cons, both have their massive advantages, downgrades, whatever. A lot of people have said to me that I'm crazy to go from such a well set up N70 car to a plain N80 starting again. Why didn't I just keep the N70 and keep on working on it? Well, there's one item that was in the N70 that's used more than anything else. That has been my number one used thing in this vehicle that isn't currently in here. And that is, of course, my fridge. Now this is a Dometic fridge. This is the 55 litre. I've had it for 4 years. It's been great. The CFX 55. We've used it for all of our camping trips, all the day trips that I do, all the short stays, the 2-3 nighters. It's been amazing. One big downside. Let me show you. So the biggest downside of this is actually in here. It's only got the one storage compartment. It's too small for us as a family now. When I first got this car and I first got this fridge, it was just me and my wife, there was no kids. Now that we've got a 3 and a 4-year-old and we are wanting to go away for longer periods of time, we're just finding that this is too small. So it's time to upgrade. Hang on. Series 2, evakool, down under, 80 litre, dual zone. This is a massive upgrade. Wow, just, whoo, look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, you need to come in for a closer look. Hang on. So to start with, there's little latches. It's actually press in and lift, which most other ones you just sort of lift up. And they don't ever close properly, so that's a nice difference. Plenty of storage. Clearly there's a light here. Yeah, heaps of room. Now, as I said, one of the biggest reasons of why we've gone to a bigger fridge is the family. Now, when you've got a family and you've got kids, what's one of the best things that they absolutely love? Ice creams. So we'll have a fridge and a freezer section. Gonna have icy bowls, ice creams, frozen meat. There's just so much that we can do with a bigger fridge. We can go away for longer. Previously with my old fridge, one of the things that I had straight away as an issue was I need to go out and buy a fridge slide. I'm gonna try a fridge slide again. So I've ended up going with the evakool fridge slide. It is actually designed for the evakool fridge. So is that? No way. Only just worked out, they go both ways. They open from both ways. Wow. Well, that's a first. A fridge slide instruction manual. No way, look at that. It actually says, hang on. So it's actually got like nuts and bolts, part listing, open slide, mark 6 drilling points, drill holes, nutsert, insert T-nuts into holes, position fridge slide, timber top down. So this is actually suggesting that you go into a timber top. 12mm thick timber top is a suggested purpose, so unfortunately no timber top here, which means we'll be going for, nutserts. Still same process though, get it in there, mark them out, and then start drilling. So first steps, I'm gonna be putting this down into place, opening it up, and then marking out where I want the holes to go. A couple of pilot holes, and then a couple of bigger holes before I start doing the nutserts. Are these M6? I hope they're M6. I was actually just thinking that I didn't have M6 bolts. M6, I've got M6 nutserts, but I had no bolts. They've provided bolts. Time to get in. There's even a latch, a lock latch.
Not bad. Time to put the fridge in. That is a snug fit. Got power plugs, adapters, no straps. Something that we do have that I haven't really talked about yet. Very, very hard to get. That is Australian made. That's right. These evakool fridges are made here in Australia. That one, that's made in Australia. Definitely going to need to do a strap over here and pull it all together. 240 power and Anderson. Will it reach? Will it reach? Yes. Sweet. Probably need to sort out what I'm doing with the cable runner. That is in. The other good thing about these is they've got a little secure lock-in tab, so that doesn't go anywhere. She's off and going. That is the evakool 80 litre fridge. A massive upgrade from my 55 Dometic. Dual zone, as I said, one in each. The new tub rack allows me for heaps more access. So on the old one I couldn't actually do this. Now I've got full open. Amazing. There is Bluetooth on there as well. So guys, there's really only one thing left to do, and that's fill it up with a bit of beer, go on a trip with the family. There is one other thing that I'm wanting to do. It's the new car builder's texture lining, so TXT lining. That's going to be doing all through here. I wanted to get this in and then be able to mask up the holes for where the bolts go through. I believe that it's a lot easier doing it this way instead of coating it first and then doing the holes. But yeah, locked in, ready for my trip. See you next time.